welcome back to my bathroom. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another Sunday Shenanigans with Brandy. I'm sorry if the lighting is a little weird since we're in the bathroom today. It's kind of crowded, so doing the best I can. Today we're going to be testing out the Idea Works drying and styling stand. Hopefully lighting isn't too terrible. So I saw this on Amazon for $20, and I don't know about you, but I hate blow drying my hair because it hurts my arms, and it's always frizzy and crappy afterwards because I just end up waving the blow dryer around crazily. So instead of having patience and just brushing down like you're supposed to. So we're gonna test that out. It says, oddly enough, ideal for nails and perfect for pets. I don't know about you guys, but my pets are not sitting waiting for me to use the blow drying stand on them. They'll barely let me use the blow dryer on them, period. Okay, so according to the picture here, because Lord knows I don't read directions, we clamp it onto the nozzle of the blow dryer, and then there's a little Velcro piece that goes around the actual handle. So clamp it here. I was seriously having technical difficulties with that Velcro. There we go. I'm not really expecting this to be the end-all be-all, but I'm hoping that it helps me along my blow drying journey, because I honestly am so lazy. I don't ever blow dry my hair. I usually just let it air dry. So it is pretty wet, as you can see. I did have to keep spraying it a little bit because by the time I was done doing my makeup and I had my hair up in a towel, it kind of was dry at the ends since it's so short now. Alright, so I'm just gonna see what it can do. I just realized I should probably part my hair like I normally would with a blow dryer and see how that works before we trudge on. So far though, I mean, I can see kind of why this would be handy. Like, I genuinely wasn't thinking it would be handy. Now I might be changing my mind. Okay, so I think I might grab my round brush because I've been using the flat brush through most of it, and see what we can do with that. So one thing I will say is I recommend not doing your makeup before you blow dry your hair. My eyes were getting pretty hot, so some of my makeup was kind of melting off and coming up into my eyebrow, so there's that. I'm gonna continue on and see what I can do with a round brush. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's not, you know, super fantastic, but it's dry. I know there's some spots back there, but all in all, I actually like this. I think it's for those of us that just really need a little bit of help with blow drying. You know, it hurts our arms. It'd be great for like my mom right now. She has, one of her arms is out of commission because she just got surgery. This would be great for her. She could literally set it up and you could literally move it with one arm. It's pretty light. I think it's like 5 pounds. So I actually might suggest it for her. I wish I would have thought of this beforehand, but it's not something for the girls that actually use a blow dryer to style their hair. I don't do that. I use a blow dryer for the sole purpose of blow drying my hair. Typically, though, when I use a blow dryer, it is frizzy as hell and too much volume. And this is actually, I'm actually happy with this. Yeah, my ends are a little bit funky, but this was 25 minutes to get to about this level. Now underneath, I'm still like under here, I'm still a little bit closer to my scalp, still a little bit damp, but overall it's pretty much dry. So I would recommend this to people that are just looking for something that's a little bit easier. They want help in their routine, just to get an overall blow dry. That way, like I know for me, a lot of times if I know I'm gonna style my hair the next day, I will wash my hair the night before and style it the next day. So this is great. If you want to wash and style the same day, you can do so and not be exhausted at the end because you have this holding your blow dryer. I know I make blow drying seem like such a daunting task, but it is. I don't like blow drying my hair, and with this it made it easier. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you hit the thumbs up button. I hope you hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notifications for my videos every Sunday. And keep coming back for more Sunday shenanigans. You never know what it's gonna be. Testing products like this to makeup to I don't know what next. We'll see. Hope you guys have a great week. Keep it positive, keep your chin up, and we'll see you guys next Sunday.